Hello all.
Oh shit. Took me a 20 back hit from this person. Yeah, nah, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Took me a 20 back hit from this person. Want me a G17 and a roll. Scarface like Tony, scab on his cheek and pick like I lay low from the police, but my surname had the guts, them know me. Real top boy like Modi, had the up block and shit like protein. I just shot the wing, asked the latent youths if I'm chatting shit. No, I was mashing it, I got twisted up, it's embarrassing. On my job like Mjolnir, I can fly to your hood and you won't do shit, but you know that mind block real. Party like Rockstar, teeth on the block, like Jordan, set man's dinner, chiller. Gotta pray to the most high, I'm a sinner. On the back road, made a hunting vibrate, come a long way from court in Highgate. How you my boy, but you moving sideways, friends since MSN days and MySpace. Now many man are rubbed out that are my age, I stay dangerous, you let man violate. I feel like the scene just ripped me off when the streets them know what I'm on. Hackney police hate me so much I get nicked for shit I ain't done. Boys in the blue just come mate trying to get nicked with his loaded gun. I don't leave shit at my mum cause the first place gang unit will come. Man say bro, you move too big, come out of jail, went back in days. I say bro, when you're signed to the streets, shit like this goes down every day. Still I gotta pray for a clean run. Me being me, I'm in too deep. If I switch up, it's treason. And me being me, I stay with heat. I really be playing with my freedom. It really ain't safe for your sleeping. G shit, if it's my hood, you're beefing. He done jewels on my block, he's dreaming. We got whack, we ain't like these man. Spin your block like the ice cream van. Ding dong from Pikey, son with an Irish man like Paddy. Gas, have you ever slapped your gun or punched man up on the wing for fun? I lost my man for a box and he took the L, cause he knows what I'm on. Niggas still onto me for dirt that I done in 016. Tell them if they fuck with mine and the crime team's going on BBC. Party like Rasta, burger, lobster, attitude things like Pogba. I'll take man's things like Poker, I'll take the case to show your honor. I'll take my chances starving, microwave meals in court are jarring. And I gotta shout out Miss Martin, gave me the drop when the dogs are marching. Oh shit. Took me a 20 bag hit from dispersal. Yeah, nah, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Took me a 20 bag hit from dispersal. Want me a G17 and a roll. Scarface like Tony, scab on his cheek and pick like I lay low from the police, but my surname had the guts, them know me. Real top boy like Modi, had the up block and shit like protein. I just shot the wing, asked the latent youths if I'm chatting shit. No, I was mashing it, I got twisted up, it's embarrassing. On my job like Mjolnir, I can fly to your hood and you won't do shit, cause you know that my block real. Party like Rockstar, teeth on the block, yeah, Jordan, set man's dinner, chiller. Gotta pray to the most high, I'm a sinner. On the back road, made a hunting vibrate, come a long way from court in Highgate. How you my boy, but you moving sideways, friends since MSN days and MySpace. Now many man are rubbed out that I might.
Suck, suck, suck. Right. Hello. What up, what up? Oh, weekend's coming up. Yeah. Oh, finally the weekend. Oh, sorry for that one. What was that? Yeah, hello and welcome. Hold on, a little tequila. Moment, second. Idol boy. Oh, here we go. Now the voice is coming deeper. Yeah, what's up and welcome back actually to CarX Part². It's actually the 328 of the part. So I just chilling out again, and like yesterday, we have a little windy in here, right? So that's why I just closed the window, starting up the cooking here. Maybe die soon. What? 120 kilometer per hour. Windy. Hab ich nicht da irgendwas gesagt? Ja, das wird er schon gemacht haben. Ah, da ist er jetzt, deswegen. Oh yeah, well, beer and trying out some Sierra tequila. So, well, trying out actually the other 2 new cars since 3 days now. The third day today. What happened, ja? Ein bisschen Anstand hier, Meister. Ja, kannst du nicht einfach... Ach, das ist schon besser hier. Oh, wieder was hast du hier alles versteckt. Wo willst du denn? Ja, wo willst du denn hin? Ah. Scheiße. Sorry. Ach, pass doch mal auf dein Haar auf hier, Junge. Dieser Geiber Mac hier, total im Arsch oder so, der Typ. Ich bin doch derjenige, der hier säuft. Master of the Song. Oh mein Gott, die Brille. Was ist denn los mit dir? Ach, Junge, das schaut ja aus, als wär's besoffen, Alter. Ach, Junge, mach mich nicht aggressiv hier jetzt. Hätte ja so schön starten können, aber du musst ja hier wieder, ne, dein Dulber hier machen. Ich muss immer lachen, Alter, wenn ich den sehe, Alter, wie der dann ausschaut und so. Aha, da ist dein Nasenloch. Ja, es funktioniert jetzt gerade nicht. So, jetzt häng mal ran hier. Ja, das schaut doch mal Pro aus, Alter. Mal ein bisschen hier Anstand, ne? Kopf hoch. Ach, scheiße, schaut wieder alles kacke aus. Bob, jetzt reiß dich zusammen. Ach, Gottes Willen, ich kann nicht mehr. Bin jetzt schon fertig mit dir, Junge. Was ist denn los mit dir, Junge? Was gefällt dir denn nicht? Ach, wackel doch nicht um meinen Stuhl hier. Rape! Rape! Okay, jetzt hab ich keinen Bock mehr, okay? Jetzt mach mal, was du willst, aber hier. Kopf nach oben. Hand mal hier ran. Jawohl. So schaut das aus, Bub. Ach du Scheiße, das schaut aus, als würde er sterben. Ey, die Kamera, was ist denn mit der Kamera? Der schaut nicht so aus wie hier. Was ist denn? Der schaut nicht nach oben. Das macht wenigstens den Mund zu. Okay. Ja, jetzt langsam wird schon, ne? Das war alles Kacke heute hier. Oh. Na, wenigstens Nitro the Bad hält sich gut. Na, wieder, das sind wir so Aufnahmemomente, weißt du, das will man gar nicht haben hier. Die Brille schaut immer noch beschissen aus. Der Bügel gehört nicht in deine Augen, der gehört da auf die Nase hin. Ja, jetzt wird doch das lang. Ja, die Kamera ist scheiße, das ist. Oh mein Gott. Oh, komm noch mal Rotz nachher, wunderbar. Oh, wird schon aus dem Blut bald sein. Ah, herrlich. Ah. Again, welcome back to CarX Part², the part 238. 328, I'm sorry. What the hell? It's, complicated. Okay, I still have food actually aside by cooking up. I should actually watch at 17 o'clock, so 22 minutes. Bum. What? I mean, what up? Oh, that's more bass, dude. Aber es ist leiser. Ja, es ist definitiv leiser. Es hat mehr Bums, Alter, aber es ist leiser. Warte mal, das kriegen wir gleich hin hier. Equalizer, I just testifying out right now. The equalizer here. That will watch, my man. Steaming equalizer. Ja, alles gut, mein Mann. Here we go. Bassverstärkung extrem. Surround Sound ein bisschen. Ja, das bringt ja auch nicht viel. Fat fingers. There we go. Chop. That sounds good. Aber auch alles an, ne? Katastrophe. There is the overlay for seconds. Actually perfect. Automix nicht spielbar. Lautstärke normal. Laut. Mono deaktivieren. Now it's going louder. Deaktivität. Ja, mobile Daten. Teilt mein Mann. Alright, nice, loud. Bruh, bruh, bruh. Ich glaube auch mit. Wie war die Equalizer or something? Maximum there or somehow. Lass mal riechen hier. Warte mal. Sorry, that is we are actually the 5th minute. Actually, nothing happened here on the screen. Sorry for that one. Maybe it's just a song. Oh hell yeah. Das ballert. Jetzt haut ihr deine restlichen Ohrstöpsel raus. Also, Trommelfell. Če so kampanjo šlo veseličo, ljudsko, koliko sem ti nek špim. No. 0815. Angeschissen. Ah, das schlechte Feuerzeug hast du für das andere Feuerzeug mitgenommen, Junge. Schlechte Qualität. Angebrachten Zehennägel hier. Die riechen sowas. Da weiß ich essen, Alter. Toenails. Oh Gott. Tiki-Taki, Raki-Zaki. Ach, die Tür ist schon wieder offen hier oben. Ist doch kein Fenster offen. Hab ich jetzt was vergessen? What up? Smart Balls, Mann. Oh mein Gott. Hyper. Tür ist aber auch nicht mehr viel aus. Hey, Babe. Ich wollte den Kieler reinrotzen hier. Die komplett hier die Facebook-Seite wieder verpackt, Alter. Mal weiter laden hier, das wollen Leute sehen. Kleine Schmarrn. Also eigentlich überhaupt keiner. Hi, Mama. mein Gott. Ist das ein Gerät oder ein Essenszubereitung? Gulasch mit Kerosin, weißt du? Komm schon wieder, das ist witzig. Was soll das? Mach mal ran. Mal ran. Ach, komm, das ist nicht mehr lustig. Ja. Warum gehst du auf? Warum gehst du... Ohne Scheiß, warum gehst du auf? Da ist kein Fenster offen. Hä? Was ist hier los? Alter, der Sog von draußen ist so hart. Alter. It's just the windy stuff actually came in my room, right? And sucks actually the door open. Oh my crapness. Fall hard, die hard. Release the door! Not the hounds. Release the hounds, yeah. I think I need a sip of something that's crack. Das Abenteuer. What's up, bro? Ah, du mit deinem Abstecher hier. Ich glaube, wenn da irgendwie wieder abgestochen wird hier. Scheint aber eine nette zu sein. Aber war ne? Ich wusste es. Ist ja wieder. Kann man nicht verhindern, ne? Nope. Waldkriegskram. Bisschen leise die Mucke. Aber hat was. Ich will ehrlich sagen, es hat was. Ich kann nicht nur drauf reinfallen. Gott, ich das ist doch kein Wunder. Verdammt. Ach, viel zu jung halt. Was soll der Scheiß? Ab 26 mittlerweile geht bei mir das alles los. Kannst dich ja bewerben. Weiblich natürlich. Mit so ein Arschloch. Komm mal raus. Ich hab keine Ahnung, schau, wie es ist. Soll das Gold brauchst du nicht mehr gespielt. Wenga, wenga. Geht nicht. Warte, warte. Pendejo. Vamos. Die mukken, dun, 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 dun. Normally you need a music like... I don't know, they don't actually lighten this stuff, you know. I think the DJ just asleep. Hey. Let me get son. Cried me. Life is hard. Wakey wakey. Now cheer up. What we got in here? Daylight! The first time we drove! 3 years ago. In here. And now we got another car. I think there was actually 69 cars in here. 64 cars. Now we got 116 cars. After 3 years. What the hell? There's a lot. I think. Oh, come on, the loading time is just a scrap, mate. What's that? 4 seconds? Oh, PlayStation 4 Pro, mate. Now I'm swifting into Great Britain stuff. Just have campagne for obviously, so it's called Priv next stream. The tequila actually looks like water. Well, bit poison, bit scratching in the throat. Not a sip? Nope. Vámonos. Something else. Just that dope boy here. For the bad, actually not winning. That McGavin, Gavin Mag. This dude's under the 20k yacht. Bomb is actually needed as well here. My cigarette went off, dude. What the hell is that doing? What? Ah, bullshit. I'm gonna DHL-Papier. Ich kann DHL-Papier. What the hell, dude? Hello? What the hell is that? Any tighter? Here we go. There's your example. You really fucked it up. Okay. So. Aus der Schweiz. Natürlich. Hey yo! Oh mein Gott, was für noch eine. Man kann ja nichts dafür, wenn die schreiben. Hey yo. Das ist ein bisschen gezwickt, weil ich meine, du lebst da unten und ich lebe hier in Bayern und so eine Zugfahrt oder so, oder? Chase instead of coming up from the Moore Park. Must be actually somewhere else in Britain. Not sure. Where the hell we are? Okay, 26k. Yeah, the fucking wind is coming inside. Oh, come on. Oh, Taurus. What is the food, mate? Hold on, I need to watch the food. Guaranta. Open up the door to hell. The swagger. Well, it's still actually brutling. Brutling. Coming good. Macht die Bude warm. Catch you later then. In 20 minutes? Yeah, 20 minutes. Something like this, correct. Ah, that's okay. It's just water damp. Schieb mal vorwärts, hat er gesagt. Du darfst auch nach hinten wegschieben. Verschmarrn. 26, eh? Already did that one. Ah, crack. What was it? 22. Yeah, 22. Oh, wow. The other car is actually a little bit hardcore. Let's try this one. No. Too easy. What the deal done? There we go. The beast of the beasts. Come on, Ferrari. Show your corners and edges. Big swoop. Oh, come on, that's too old. What happened here? Oh, 64 years, I think it's a little bit too old for me. Hold on, 64 years, so actually 10 years younger when I'm double timing this. Oh, crack, no way. Stop, Ballermann. Need a cigarette? Hope you got a smoothie weekend. I hope so. Swagging in. I think my microphone is so loud it's on this crack. There's something's missing here. Oh, I cleaned up yesterday. That's cool. And oh my gosh, met guy van Mac here. Shit, hab Kampagne schwab jetzt so große next stream. Hi, wakey boy. How you doing over there? Deal and done. Who's my wooze? Can I? No? Oh, that's why I don't can. Gotcha. Some tequila. Takes a little while for me. It's already a half hour on live stream. I'm so sorry. The German boy. Oh gosh, that music, dude. impressive car, definitely. And just first stage or second stage in here, because it's sort of burns in my eyes. What do I got it on that? I just hate the music. It's just, I'm sorry, there's actually 20% of the music here in the game itself I don't like. Appreciating for something I like very much, kind of these dubstep, electronic, but sometimes these just dual moments in here with these doom 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 doom. The verses then when they're starting up the singing. Exactly. Something like that. I hate that. Let's deal done with the same car then. LA blog. Non-reverse. Alright, let's see what's coming up then. 40 there's a running GT. Nighttime? Wait. Wasserman. Huh. Oh god, no way. Breaks my last hips. Okay, oh my hellness. That is something, Merv. Alright. Leo. Where's Leo again? Oh, god damn it. Leo and Pies is not fitting. Getting the worst situations we're going through. Thanks for watching a little while. Wow, it's really thundering out there. Hush, Masimizo. Cheers up. Whoa, number one. 70 o'clock and 6 minutes after. So it's actually 5 o'clock and 6 minutes after PM here in Germany. Got the 37 minutes here in Livestream. The door once all the times getting opened up. It's very windy out there. Still cooking actually in the oven heat plate. The mass heat plate. Und the other room, wohlgemerkt. Tequila! Not bad. I think actually something's missing here. Strawberry something. Gambaramasu. Yep, that's a better music. Nani? Okay, you there? Alright. Break. The high speed somehow. Ferrari don't like. But the high RPM car, high millimeter car, I don't know, I can't explain Ferrari. You still down, I can open. Oh, you got a message. No. Oh, you're really fucked up. Get home. Yep. Now open is resting now. There's still water in there. Blood temperature. That's okay. Still have plans. Barbecue sauce. I'm sorry. Let's see what's going on. Look at the beer. Accepted. Sorry. Oh, this is so cracked. How's that really done it itself? Oh, good. Something really doing that now. Somebody wake up, definitely. Got nice hair, goddammit. Smuggle? Oh my god. I like these moments. What the hell happened here? Smuggle? Nice one. So the points are rocking. Always the wrong moment with bad music. The wrong moment needs good music. I hate that. Melting, man. This is a bull crack. Our wind is gone. Okay. Yep. I need to go to the toilet. I'll be right back. Thank you very much for watching, by the way. Ah, hell. I think the bottle is going a little bit empty in here. I need to refill it a little while. Shut up. Brauwasser. Was ist los mit dir? Be right back, Mata. Oh, voll auf, Junge! Was ist denn hier eigentlich los? Die Scheibe ist angelaufen. Oh Mann, mein Kreuz. Ich glaube, ich habe eingeschissen. Ah, herrlich. So geht's nicht weiter. Focus. Need to clean. Don't hit the surroundings. Oh my god, everywhere in the shower room here. What happened? Somebody called him? Als die music is sound up. Still not was actually a peeing situation here. Focusation, please. Was that? Barney. Lifetime situations. Ah, come on. I know I need to pee. Drip, drip, drop, drop. Nothing? Come on. Here we go. Nothing? Alright. Oh, mate. So a little recept. Just actually try to deal dull moments or something. Dull. Well, very close. In German, actually, I was saying drei. I think I have having a bigger business to deal done in here. Yeah, I'm still myself, but you know, my stomach is a little going crazy sometimes with my food. Alright. Thinking actually we're going to the online mode. Oh gosh, no, please do not the online mode. But they fixed it a little bit around with the experience mode. Better say with the points. So I liked it yesterday very much. I just thought that was something drove and beating a lot of that, you know, guys there, and the points was growing. So if you're winning all the times around, that means kind of, you know, so kind of an example. You are in the drift race, you're just dealing done actually to drift A, drift B, drift C, or short C, A, B, whatever in drifting. You get your XP's experience. So that's weird. If I'm just doing actually dealing done with these how's it calling? Not XPS, XDS or something. These kind of, you're hitting the boxes and the lines and all this stuff perfectly. You're getting... You're actually not getting a lot of points with these. If you're drifting and just going actually to a drift contest in here, I will show you up that for stuff. I'm very surprised about that. I just lost a long time actually myself into these kind of hitting boxes, hitting the stripes and all this stuff. Getting a lot of points. The points are not important. The drifts are important. I didn't know. That's getting done with this crack. What's that? Gosh, I forgot the names and stuff. I'm so much into that coolness that I totally forgot how the name is, what kind of a mode we are driven down in here. Oh, that's perfectly in here, alright. Giving some... Polska. I'm not Polska. No, I'm nothing. What's that? Drift and chill. Shall we join? Is that meaning hitting is activated? Hitting is not activated. Oh, hold on, I'm confused now. No, whatever. Let's go into here. Yeah, is it... So, it's activated that you can hit. Alright, now I got it. I'm not drunk. I came from a construction work. It's just actually confusing sometimes. Every day I'm waking up, wanna play this game. It is so confusing me sometimes. What I'm dealing done with this game here. 28 miles already. Holy crack. I'm the first here. So the master of disaster. DjVolgin. Okay, sexy girl. 984. Hello, I'm still starting up in here. Bye bye. Later on. PC anyway. Yeah, snap off. So there's XDS. And here we go, clipping. Just there's clipping, you know. Kind of the XDS, DP points, and whatever. So I used to be all the time in here like that. I have fun with your small car. Dude, what's wrong? This is a show off crackers. You mean a plate? Quick to fix. Good night. Have a nice time. So this brings no points. This clipping brings no points. Just to show off. Where are you? So we're dealing done with actually the drift. They're making points a lot. For the XPs, I mean, of course. So nobody likes doing this. Boring. We're going like this one in here. Okay, there's only A and B and C and D and S or whatever it is. Gambarimasu! I should next time actually 3 persons. Oh, here is one. Anniversity beer. There's number 3. And be rolling on, I think, the next coming up. That makes the most points if you win, of course.
DjVolgin.
Now DjVolgin, but damn it. Have a nice time, guys. PC, Xbox, PC. So all is always against the PlayStation Sony. Whoa! Sorry, Kubi. I'm sorry. I just tried to go over here. Hey. That noise is coming. Watch left, watch right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Oh, alright, fucked it up. Alright, this was actually a drift, right? We earned 2,600. Nothing. Amazing. So let's keep on going out and just checking the XPs. 292. Okay, if you're just doing the clipping points, I'm coming back here again, I'm so sorry for that one. Let's check the clipping points. How many points you get on XP with just a clipping point where you're earning actually 30 to 40k on normal drift points? Let's check this out. Or maybe they changed it completely. Coming back, sorry for that one. Same car. Here we go. Hope the same room. Of course, it is the same room. But maybe too many players actually waiting for getting in. Oh, my fingers, dude. They're smelling good. And already recovered. Let's do actually a clipping point stuff. The same route, right? Oh, I can't remember. Is it Aiden? Yeah, not really, but okay, let's deal with this. Let's see what's going on then. 260 XP, and after that clipping A, let's see what's going on then. If somebody's just willing in. Here we go. me! Got a little problem in here. So actually, let's see what's going on with 22k. About actually 2k, right? So it was, okay, let's see how many XPs actually I got. The same! I can't believe, the same? I can't believe that. Okay. So if I'm drifting and winning by 2000 drift points, only drifting, I get the same 296 XP. Okay, gotcha. So I was doing the clipping actually with the kind of the same points, only 10 times with drift points more. I got the same XP then. Huh? And this is amazing. So that means actually whatever I'm dealing done, I can deal done whatever I just want. I'm coming up in the mood of 10 times drifting, 10 times clipping. And it's actually the same drift, the XPs. That game changed finally. Listen to me. Thank you very much. Actually, I'm clapping with the hands very hard, and I like it very much. It calls like monkeys actually doing the same, dealing them. Can you stop right now? Can you stop that? Yay! They're making a great progressing. Oh, sorry, somebody in me. Yeah, it is. Somebody just gets shit out of 4 minutes actually after my phone. I'm sorry, and he's gone. Alright, so it doesn't matter what I'm dealing done. Actually, the clipping or the drifting. That's amazing. Thank you very much. You need 20k in clipping and 2000 points in drifting to get actually the same XP. Alright. But you again, hoping you learn. Weekend! What the hell are you really doing? Yeah, he learned. Nice one. Okay, that's weird. Here we go, maybe. Nothing. Perfect. Next one. The boss is in the house. That's why nothing's moving. Komplett auseinander mit der Blick. What the hell, dude? Komm schon, schaff das! Holy shit, what the hell happened here? Kriegst du schon? Komm hier schon. Komm schon, komm schon, komm schon. Ist er drin? Ist er nicht drin? Man weiß es nicht. Yay! Hat's geschafft! Nice one. Alright, he was actually not good in B. Komm, das kriegst du hin. Aber er hat's hingekriegt! Yay! I love it! Nice one! Let's drift a bit! Oh, there are 4 peoples! Oh, they joining in? Oh crap, my mistake! Oh crap, yeah they won't! Fuck the police. I feel the same, dude. Come on, Mars! Scheiß Dachrinne. Wer macht denn so eine Dachrinne außen hin, Alter? Alter, das kann nicht angehen. Alter, 70 Kilometer pro Stunde. Abstand oder was? Was ist denn hier los in St. Petersburg? Hier spinnt ja. So, wenn man rankommt. Dann nächste Kamera. Du bist ein Arschloch. Here we go. And I need to go to the toilet. Shark. Oh my gosh. You're an asshole. Yep, thank you very much. Clip. Here we go, perfectly. That panela is awesome, dude. No salt, no pepper, nothing. That smells awesome. Isolation. Actually, I say congratulations, but like to say asshole or fuck, actually I say crack. I don't want to be actually saying that names anymore. Yeah, I wish I have a beer right now in toilet. Came bunkering down below. These alcoholics, right? Can you hear? Actually telling you stories. Alvarez. Watched yesterday something. Starts off with P and ends with N. Dang. What's dudes doing these girls? What the hell is going on? I'm a single from a actually, okay, mother is not counting. That's not fair. About the kissings and stuff. That's actually all. Never happened, mate. I should actually, you know, switch to another country. My real life. Yeah, you should. Oh, filter. Nice one. You still got it there. Cleaned up. Because yesterday I just was saying, oh, this is not okay. Cleaned it up. I can't believe it. Drunkenness. Huh? Nani? How's the fine feeling done? 134. Oh, come on, dude. What's that? 1.2. Too long at the... Oh, look at that. That was not taken. Still there. Look, it's waiting. Oops, somebody's just gone. Being done with some drifts. Activated. Oh, but only actually for 3 people. Tschüss auf Kampagne, schau wie sie lügt, so gut, Gott, next stream, tadaimasu. Next level. They haven't taken. Hey, doesn't matter. He takes the name DEF. I like it. What happened to him all the times? That is so weird. Taking so many points. Nobody likes me, dude. I'm coming! Oh hell, here we go! And there's Moscow! I mean St. Petersburg. I'm sorry, not Moscow. It's a little bit far away. 3,000 kilometers or something. But oh no. Where's it going? Get English talk. Oh my gosh. Really? Mr. Batman. I'm sorry, dude. Oh, crack. We are actually 2 persons, right? Oh, shit. Sorry for that one. Show me your talent. Mr. Death. Huh. I got you, mate, with the inside ear. Let's do it again. Oh. I got it. What? You came into the... No way. That was a second, dude. Oh my gosh. Only just drinking tequila now. I'm fascinated now. Is that possible, dude? Next time. Game over! Okay. Oh, crack, mate. ja. Wie schaut's denn aus mit Clipping Point?
I learned. Thanks to them.
Okay. Well, I learned. Thank you very much to this guy. That was astonishing. New tactic? Yeah, it's actually, you know, it's not like a new tactic or something, but this is like, you want to drive normal or just a little, the tricky cheating way, you know. It's okay, I don't have no problem with these. Just sometimes you're feeling a little bit tricked up, you know, that's all. Nobody's watching, I'm going to pee. Hello, girl. Oh, crap. You know, sweetheart. Oh, crack, what happened here? That is not fitting. That is not fitting. There's a side missing. Definitely. Let me guess. Oh, it's down below. That's why. And you're not coming away here. My golden sweetheart. Ah, girls. If you have a girlfriend, you're totally fucked up. If you just don't have a girlfriend, you're hot and horny about them. What's better? Thing to dream on, right? I'm 37, goddammit. That's not okay. I'm ashamed. Keine Verantwortung. Das ist mein Problem. Es ist schwierig. Ich bin nie groß geworden mit Verantwortung. Deswegen scherzen die auch alle gegen mich. So. Dass ich auf dem Bauernhof groß geworden bin, das wissen die ja gar nicht. Wissen sie schon, aber nicht wie ich groß geworden bin. Mit Hardware, Software, Technology. Danach bei hier und da. Warst immer im Feld draußen, bist mit dem Maiswagen nach Hause gefahren. Hast gearbeitet. Bist dann wieder nach Hause zu der Stiefmutter. Also scheiße, Alter. Das ist, ich wünsche ein Kind sowas nicht. Hat aber Vorteile. Man sieht's. So schnell wird mir nicht kalt. Ich denke mal, ich habe 2 Kalbgeburten schon gehabt. Dann kann es bei der Geburt auch nicht so schlimm sein. Und sag ich mal, die Hoden, ich meine die Hoden soll schon, die Nabelschnur durchzutrennen, das ist ein Witz. Darum geht's ums Bündnis, ne? Ums, nicht Bündnis hier, aber ich meine um das Bündnis Freundschaft zu einer mehr als einer Freundschaft. Wenn man ihr was abschneidet, das ist ja schon übel, ne? Aber ich meine, das ist für mich kein Thema. Ein Vogel oder eine Katze zu erschlagen, ist halt dann doch, tut schon weh schon bald. Es ist halt nicht schön. Und man sieht sie fliegen, man sieht sie raufen, rumlaufen. Und da muss man einem kleinen Kätzchen einfach mal, naja, einen Knüppel drauf geben. Weil es nicht so rund läuft, weil es ein Herbstkatzel ist. Das ist schon übel. Das würde in Deutschland normalerweise geahndet für 2 Jahre Knast oder so. Das wird es niemals nirgendwo auf der Welt geben. Nirgendwo. Vielleicht in der Türkei, ja, in der Türkei wirst du jetzt schon 20 Jahre eingesperrt, wenn du der Katze einen Knüppel gibst. Der Katzenliebenden Leute eigentlich da unten. Woher das wohl kommt, das nennt sich Ägypten, aber ist ja auch wieder egal. Von Ägypten kommt schon viel, ne? Das nennt sich extraterrestrisches Leben, das da unten geholfen hat, wie auch bei den Mayas. Oder Azteken, aber da glaubt mir auch keiner. Aber alles gut, ich bin ja nur Maurer, ich bin ein dummes, kleines... Moment, ist der Chef weg? Oh, my boss is just gone. Alright, need a beer. Nope, still have. Also, Scheiß. Was sollst du noch glauben, was sollst du noch tun? Ach, jetzt schaut keiner mehr zu, das ist wunderbar. Hat man auch wohl keinen Bock mehr, Alter. Lief gut, jetzt läuft scheiße. Naja. Die Gruppe hat sich auch schon verabschiedet. Das ist schade. Since yesterday, 4 guys are trending. Where the fuck I am? I'm number 3. Ja, klar. Langweilig. Ich werde nie einen Hype kriegen hier. Machen wir mal weiter LAN hier. Ich denke, die Autos sind schon wieder so dermaßen lahm. Probieren wir das aus. Ich möchte echt mal scheißen gehen, ey. Ich meine, da geht nichts mehr. Ich kann keinen Furz mehr rausdrücken. So, Teufel, ich habe doch hier drauf geklickt. Was ist los mit euch? Was ist los? Was, WC ist nicht mehr da? Komm schon, WC ab. Okay, ich gehe jetzt scheißen, Alter. Ich hab die Schnauze voll. Going to the toilet. Nobody's watching anyway. Thank you very much to have you guys. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Oder auch nicht. Mach mal weg da. Mach mal neu. Läuft heute nicht. Es ist ziemlich langweilig heute. Schadet mir. Immer bla bla bla. Tadaimasu, by the way. I get bored very fast today. After 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. Normally ordinary, actually a soccer game, football game, goddammit, not soccer. Football should actually get a name about handball. Handball. Something like this shit. The crane? Okay, that's weird. Pumping it up in here. Hat wieder jemand vergessen zu fixieren.頑張ります. This music is bullshit, dude. Forget about it. It's not fitting. Oh, ich glaube, ich gebe auf. Ich will schlafen gehen. Bisschen essen, schlafen gehen. 24 Uhr vielleicht nochmal auftauchen. Bye bye.